Well, this is a short video that will teach you how to log into your My Learning Space and check your scores, your TMA scores. So you enter your login details and login. Click on login. Okay, you're in. You go to online courses. It brings you back to login. You still have to log in. You submit your login details again. The first one, you could edit some information about you if necessary. Now you are into your dashboard. So you go straight to your profile. If you might have your picture here. If you don't, you go to your avatar. Just beside the avatar, this arrow beside the avatar here, you click on grades. Click on grades. You can still get it from this other menu at the left. If it's on your phone, and you see that. So it shows you your grades. This course 104, you scored a total of 27 currently because you've taken all the TMAs 1 to 3. You've taken TMA 1 to 3. That's it. It's as simple as that. The same steps applies to mobile phone or any other device you use to access this. You still go through this arrow near the avatar. You see grades, you click on it, and that's it. So after checking your scores, you can screenshot it and keep for yourself. And then it's good to always log out so that you avoid other persons from logging into your account unauthorized.